Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can arrange objects in a rectangular pattern. Let's express the rectangular array feature of utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, then the Array menu appears, and select Rectangular Array. Select an object and press Enter. As you move the mouse, the objects are previewed in a rectangular arrangement. Let's specify the array items as 10 columns by 5 rows. After moving the mouse, click to set the columns and rows to 10 by 5. Next, specify the spacing. As you move the mouse, the spacing is previewed based on the distance. Click at the point where the desired spacing is achieved to specify. Once the alignment setting is complete, press Enter to finish the command. We have used the utility feature of CADian CAD to arrange objects in a rectangular pattern. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.